Looperman again with tutorial. The air horn sounds like this. First, you have to know how to make a vibration. Like, for example, when you're doing the siren sounds like this. The thing is to position your lips like this, and position your upper lip above your bottom lip, and then try to vocalize it like through your nose and at the same time through your mouth. So it's like it's the same thing with the air horn sound. You just have to make a deeper voice, like but focus on doing it through your nose. So it's like and the thing is that you have to start with kind of a high-pitched sound, like, and then it has to convert in that deeper voice, you know, like, for example. Yeah, it takes a lot of practice until you get a hang of those vibrations. You just learn it, I mean, after about a week or two, I'm not sure, it depends. Yeah, so if you have any questions, just post them on in the comment box. And yeah, practice. I cannot do it for you. You have to practice yourself. Peace.